Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay. So I think we're going to finally get a little hands-on with Elastos. As you can see, I have already did the Git. Let me bring up the right thing. Yeah. And we're going to go through this. This is how you install Go. And this system, this is just the WSL. Does not have Go installed as far as I know. So what you do here, we're going to go through the steps. And this is going to get the what you need. And okay. This may be, let me see. Well, I can always rename the top directory and call see what we got here. Oh. It does not like that. Let me do something. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to move. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to make a Go. And then I'm going to go in here. And we're going to try our tar again. Or not our tar, our curl. Let's copy this. Let's curl dash O https golang.org actually I think what I'm going to do is check on let's see where you would download this. Packages. Getting started. That should point us into here we go. We're just going to follow there. Okay. And what we're going to do is see if this is going to work. No, that's not what we want to do. This is for the CLA. So let's look at... This is what we want. Right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is try this curl command. Or this tar command rather. Instead of being complicated. And plot there. Now, the reason we're going to put this in to use a local is because then it can find it really easily. Now, notice this also, if you're looking at it. The next, once it uncompresses, we're going to do sudo change owner. We're going to make it the root the owner. And that will, there we go. So, okay, sudo change owner. And don't know why it's taken that long. There we go. And sudo move go user local. Taking its time moving. There's a lot there. You can see how much was decompressed. And once I get my regular machine up, I'm going to have to, I'll probably end up doing this on that machine as well. It is up. I had some issues with the network, and I'm not sure if that's working. I have to get back to that. And then I have to mount my big data drive so that I can use that, because we have a lot of stuff on there. And this is taking some time. But this is probably also a little bit slow because of the fact that it's sort of running in its own little space. And the other thing to be aware of with, let me show my task manager. Look at my task manager. I'm curious about something. Actually, oh yeah. One thing to be aware of if you're using WSL is it takes up a lot of memory. It could take up a lot of memory. Actually, right now it's not too bad. But the other thing that can confuse you is the username is some kind of weird number rather than, why are you taking so long? Some kind of weird number rather than what you would expect, which would be, like a name like root or system or what have you. So it is taking its sweet time, and I don't know why. Let me see something. There we go. All right. So now the next step should not take very long. We're just going to do an export. And another export of the path. Didn't like that. Copy. Oh. Equals path colon user local go min colon go path. Drop the mouse. All right. So let's see, make sure it is correct. And yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's do that. And source. All right. So now we do have, let's see where we are. Okay. All right, now we're in Elastos and Elastos ELA. And now we could do a make. And let's see, it has everything. And okay. That's interesting. Okay. Let's see what it's looking for. It's interesting. I'm not that familiar with Go. That's interesting. All right. You know what? We're going to try this git clone again that they specify here. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to have to troubleshoot it. So, oh, it copies the now. And it's like it's not getting everything it needs to get. Okay, we know this, and well, let's make sure we have the right version. Although I don't think it's a version issue. Yeah, this is relatively new. Okay, so I do not know what is going on here, but you can see what we've done. We'll just do a little recap here and see if I can, I'll have to see if I can figure it out. We do have the right version. We did sudo apt-get y-git. We did the well, we got a version of it. We untarred it. We changed the owner, copied it to local. And I think git go is fine. It's almost like, let's see, module where it seems more that the seems like there's a lot of stuff that it somehow did not like. And same BTC suite, that, and wonder if it has to do with the Bitcoin. It's just a whole bunch of stuff that it doesn't seem to be finding. It's almost as though it's not, I wonder. No, I seem to own everything. But why it would not be finding it? Following Elastos' instructions. Anyway, we're going to try to figure out what's going on here. So let's recap what we did. Not quite successfully. We made sure Git was on. We got the version of Golang. Even actually not this one. We did a separate zip tar file. We untarred it. We changed the owner. We moved it to user local, and you can see that seems to be successful. We exported the Go path. We exported the regular path. Then we sourced the profile. The problem we ran into is, for some reason, it does not want to see. It does not want to let us build this thing, and that could be for whatever reason. It's just very odd that it's saying the errors we're getting. It's saying, well, let's see. I'm wondering if we're running it from the wrong directory. That would be interesting. I wonder what would happen if we moved it from here. No. Let's look at the make file. No. I don't even know. I'm wondering if this should be the node. It's not finding stuff that's already there. Unless there's something that's, go some entry. I wonder if you need this. It's clearly getting stuff from different libraries. Anyway, I'm going to continue. I can keep playing with this. It's just going to waste your time. I'm going to keep playing with this and see if there's a faster way rather than going through this stuff one by one. It doesn't make any sense to me. They give you these instructions here, and then you try to run it, and it's missing half the stuff you need. Now, it could be related to this. No, that's Git. That's not Go. It's complaining about Go. This is to install Git. Honestly, I do not know. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful, even though we didn't get quite through it and didn't quite work the way we wanted. But anyway, I will speak to you next time, and take care.